Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're doing barbecue. So this lamb leg chop barbecue, which is fantastic. Look how beautiful they cut it. Yes, it's amazing. So I use the red onion, as you can see. So that's the red onion. Yeah, you just gonna put it in it. And I used slow or low Tennessee smokehouse barbecue ribs. Yeah, as you can see there. How beautiful is that? It's all mixed with I think onion, chili and everything in there, but not that spicy. Yeah, it's good for barbecue, so that's what I normally use. Yeah, I will put it a lot. So you keep on turning, make sure it's all mixed. I prefer using my hands because you can reach with your hand is more easier. So you can reach down and it's gonna be perfectly mixed. Yeah. So for this size, I think one is enough. You don't need to put it really too much spicy because you need to really test the meat as well. What you gotta do is you need to make sure you mix this one. I might need a big container, yeah, but it's okay. So if you make a mess, that's alright. So I'll mix it really nicely. Can't you guys see how the color is changing? So it's becoming a little bit reddish, right? Yeah. Yeah. So very nice. Mix, turn it over, so you keep on turning as you mixed. Yeah, I love it. And of course, you need to put a chili. This is a Mexican chili. For barbecue, you need a little bit of spicy, right? So you add a little bit of chili into it. Yeah, so adding chili. So you gotta be really careful here because if you're not careful, you might add it too much, and kids might not gonna eat it as well. Yeah, so I say kids because some kids they don't like spicy food. Yeah, you can do mild or just not too spicy. They'll love it. Yeah. As you roast, even the fat will wash down the chili. So easy. You can put it really spicy, or you don't do it spicy. Now I make a lot of mess, guys. I think I have to clean the kitchen later. It's so messy. Yeah, so that's why I say you need a big container to mix because now it's going all over. Oh my goodness, I'm getting in trouble now. Let's add some salt. Yeah, a little bit of salt. Yeah, it doesn't matter what salt you're adding. Yes, salt. You turn it over and then you add more salt. More salt. Yeah, don't add too much because when you're roasting, and then you add the final salt when you're roasting. So it's better not to really add too much here. Yeah, you just need a little bit of salt. Yeah. How does that look, guys? Very nice. See, he's only cutting for barbecue. It's lamb leg chop, as I say. It's very nice. So there's a bone in between, so it will cook perfectly. Yep, cool. Looking amazing. All right. So the final thing is what you need to do is you need to put in a tray. As a tray guy, yeah. So easily you just put in the tray. Yeah. So the onion you leave it there. Yeah. So it's all good. Perfectly done. It's the barbecue marinated, right? Look at that. Amazing. All the onions, everything there. Yeah, so it's better to marinate and leave it for at least, I might say, 3 hours or 4 hours, and then you cook it. But for me, I'll leave it longer. Yeah, because I want to do for tomorrow. Hello guys, so we are going to roast our barbecue. It's a Weber. So what we gotta do is we need to set the fire, and then we'll start roasting. Yeah, very good. So I need to set it up. Nice. Just light it. I need to put on top. So roughly after 15-20 minutes it will be ready, and then we'll start roasting the barbecue. Easy. Yeah. So this is a coals. It's called coals. Yeah. Easy. But you can use a charcoal as well. Okay guys, this is the barbecue we marinated yesterday. So that, we're waiting for the fire, and then it's all good to go. Yeah, very nice. Yeah. So it's ready. Fire's ready. So the fire is ready. Yeah, don't put too much fire. Yeah, you just need low. As you can see, in a few minutes I'll start turning because I don't want it to burn. So I have to start turning in a few minutes. Look at that, so beautiful. Yeah. It is time for turning the barbecue. Yes, so that it cooks equally. So guys, you can see the color is changing. Yeah, how's the look? Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, just keep on turning, make sure the ones on the bottom come up, and then you just keep on doing that. So guys, what do you think? How do you do your barbecue? Do you use the firewood, charcoal, or coals? Yeah, you can see the color start turning, and it's amazing. Looking really appetizing. As the fire is low, you can leave it to sit for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you keep on turning. So guys, the barbecue is getting really good. You can see. Yeah, so guys, it's really easy to cook your barbecue with Webers, because that is the time, you know, you don't need to panic, because mostly the heat is not that much, it's low. You don't need to put a lot of really charcoal or coal, so it's really time for you to relax. You keep on checking, but it's cooked really perfectly. Can you hear that, guys? Nice. Smoke start coming up. It means it's time for me to turn it. Nice. Look at that. Wow. So when you're using a Weber, it's always take a time to cook, but at the end you get the perfect result, which is really good. So good. Alright, it's time for me to turn it over. Yeah, I have to keep on turning because I don't want it to burn. So it's good. You can see, guys. Amazing. Golden brown color. Yeah. So it's looking already yummy. Nice. Look at that. Yeah, and then you leave it to sit for some minutes. Good. So what do you eat your barbecue with, guys? Do you eat with ugali? So this is the time for you to get up and start making ugali. Yeah, so what I'm doing is make sure it's cooked well done and it's still not ready yet. So you can see as the color is changing. So it's time to cook ugali and sukuma wiki, guys. So make sure keep on turning. You don't leave your barbecue to sit there for long. Just keep on turning, guys. As you can see, the color is changing. So guys, if you're cooking your meat medium range, I think it's done. But because I prefer well done, so I'm still going with it. I need a well done, so. So yummy, it's looking nice. Very good, eh? There you go, guys. Lamb leg barbecue chop. So good. Okay. So nice. Look. The smoky. Oh my goodness, my eyes. Yeah, it's really cooking well. As you can see there, it's very smoky, juicy, so nice. Yeah, guys, you don't need to spray oil because when you're cooking a lamb, it's a bit fatty, so that oil is enough for you to cook your barbecue. So smoky and juicy, and it's looking amazing. Oh guys, the aroma of the spicy, you can smell it now. It's so good and it's very nice. So it's looking amazing already. Yeah, let's turn it over now. Yeah, yeah. We need to turn it over so we need to turn it over. So let's turn it over. Now this is the time you need to keep on turning. If not, it's gonna burn. Yeah, so make sure you keep on turning. Yeah. This is the stage you don't have to sit down. You keep on turning. So apply salt. This is the time for you to apply salt, but not too much. Just a little bit. Yeah. You don't want it bitter. Just a little bit of salt. There you go. There you go. It's almost ready. Look at that. So golden brown. It's almost there. It's not medium, right? It's just well done. Yep. Getting there. Okay. That's ready now. Very nice. It's well done. Juicy.
Yep.
And it's all done, guys. Look at that. It's well done barbecue. Looking nice. That's it. Nice. Look at that, guys. Very nice. I can't wait to eat.
Me too.
So look at that, guys. So nice. Yummy.
In my tummy. Very
Nice.
Yep.
So I need to take it off. Look at that, guys. So amazing. Nyama Choma.
Nyama Choma. Yalla.
Nyama Choma. Nice. Alright, guys, that's it. It's all done. So it looked perfect, well done, and it's amazing.